Hello everyone, Happy New Year to all of you. Today I'm going to make a very special body butter infused with rose oil. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so the ingredients that I'm going to use, I will show you first and then I will show you the process. It's very simple and very easy. You need a scale to measure the ingredients. I'm making 50 grams total. And this little bowl that I'm going to use for measuring. And the ingredients, number one I'm using is shea butter. This is mango butter. So these are rose petals, powdered rose essential oil. This is in this bottle. See that? So this would be the carrier oil. This is jojoba oil, natural. All ingredients are natural, 100%. And then you would need these little jars. Hopefully these are good enough for 50 grams. And vitamin E oil, that is essential. Okay, I forgot to bring it here, but I'm going to bring in a minute. So I wanted to show all ingredients, but I let you know that I will be adding vitamin E oil as well. So here are the vitamin E capsules that I'm going to use it in the body butter. And I also want to tell you that if you do not like rose essence, then you have a choice to use other essential oils. This is lavender. You can use lavender, which is beautiful. Everybody likes lavender. And I have this frankincense. This is a natural oil as well. So I'm going to put shea butter. I'm going to press this on. This would be 20 grams. It's 20 grams. I would be using this bowl. I transferred this in this bowl. So mango butter would be 15 grams. So 11, so a little bit more. It's 17, but that's okay. This jojoba oil, 13 grams. I'm just eyeballing this. With this cute little funnel. I'm going to double boil these ingredients first. When they cool down a little bit, then I would put vitamin E, rose petals, and rose oil. So both the butters are melted. We are not going to boil it. I'm going to turn this off and remove this bowl from the steam. I will let it cool down to the room temperature, and then I will cool it in the refrigerator. So this has been in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. So you can say it's not completely set, and don't even let it completely set. When you finish blending, it should look like that. So now is the time to add essential oils. I'm adding 10 to 12 drops of rose essential oil. Okay. And these are vitamin E. I'm going to add 2 capsules. And rose petals. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to blend this again. So there we have it, our cream. I'm going to fill this in this little jar. Going to test it on, you don't need a lot, just a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. See. This is especially very nice for using nighttime, and it has all the good ingredients. Well, I hope you enjoyed the process of making the body butter, and I hope that you're going to make your own with a choice of your own fragrance that you want to make. And please do let me know in the comment below that what kind of body butter did you make. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you take care.